In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Assassin's Creed Unity online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and play Assassin's Creed Unity online on any platform. So this is going to apply for PC and consoles such as PlayStation or Xbox. So all that you have to do is first, inside of the game itself, you need to complete Sequence 3. If you pause your game at any time during an actual save file gameplay, you will find the progress tracker and you have to make sure that you complete Sequence 3. You will notice that on this save file, I'm still on Sequence 1, and because of this, I don't have access to online or multiplayer. But once you complete Sequence 3, there will be a new option on the menu. So when you pause the game at any time, there will be the option to play together. This is what you're going to be using to invite your friends and play together. The first thing that I would recommend is that you select the option and a new menu will appear where you see the party and everyone who is currently matched up with you on the same lobby. I recommend that you try this first. Send them an invite through Ubisoft Connect and they should be able to join. Now, a lot of people report that they get server errors because the Ubisoft servers for this game are extremely old and they are super buggy. So if you are getting errors when trying to go into the Play Together menu, what you can try instead is to go over to the Ubisoft website. So go over to ubisoft.com, and when you arrive at this page, you will be able to click on your icon after you sign into your account and go over to account management, where you can select account information and link or unlink specific profiles. Now, this might seem counterintuitive, but what I recommend is that you unlink the Xbox or PlayStation Network link that you have established. Once this is done, instead of inviting your friends first and then starting a co-op mission, try doing the opposite, where you go into a mission and everyone queues up at the exact same time publicly. So instead of doing a private match, you just queue up publicly. And as long as all of you queue up at the same time, the servers will match you up together. It is weird, but because of the way the servers are operating at the moment, this is the best known workaround to get them to work so you guys can play together. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Assassin's Creed Unity online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.